20 Common Grammar Mistakes. Part 3. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Let's get started. 1. Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't likes chocolate. B. She doesn't like chocolate. C. She don't like chocolate. D. She doesn't likes chocolate. Answer. B. She doesn't like chocolate. Explanation. Doesn't is the correct negative auxiliary verb for she, followed by the base form of the verb, like. 2. Fill in the blank. He, playing soccer yesterday. A. Don't. B. Doesn't. C. Wasn't. D. Didn't. Answer. C. Wasn't. Explanation. The past negative form for he is wasn't when paired with the verb ending in ing. 3. Choose the correct sentence. A. They doesn't have a car. B. They don't has a car. C. They doesn't has a car. D. They don't have a car. Answer. D. They don't have a car. Explanation. Don't is the correct auxiliary verb for they, and it is followed by the base form of the verb, have. 4. Fill in the blank. Everyone, excited about the trip. A. Were. B. Are. C. Is. D. Have been. Answer. C. Is. Explanation. Everyone is singular, so it takes the singular verb is. 5. Choose the correct sentence. A. I have never seen such a beautiful scenery. B. I have never seen such a beautiful sceneries. C. I have never seen such a beautiful sceneries. D. I have never seen such a beautiful sceneries. Answer. A. I have never seen such a beautiful scenery. Explanation. Scenery is uncountable, so it doesn't take a plural form. 6. Fill in the blank. The team won the championship last year. A. Has. B. Have. C. Was. D. Were. Answer. A. Has. Explanation. Team is treated as a singular entity, so it takes has. 7. Choose the correct sentence. A. She didn't enjoy the movie. B. She didn't enjoy the movie. C. She doesn't enjoy the movie. D. She don't enjoy the movie. Answer. B. She didn't enjoy the movie. Explanation. After didn't, the base form of the verb, enjoy, is used. 8. Fill in the blank. Neither of the boys, ready for the test. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. D. Have been. Answer. B. Is. Explanation. Neither is singular, so it takes the singular verb is. 9. Choose the correct sentence. A. He didn't knew about the meeting. B. He doesn't knows about the meeting. C. He didn't know about the meeting. D. He don't know about the meeting. Answer. C. He didn't know about the meeting. Explanation. After didn't, the base form of the verb, know, is used. 10. Fill in the blank. Each of the girls, a unique talent. A. Have. B. Has. C. Were. D. Are. Answer: B. Has. Explanation: each is singular, so it takes the singular verb has. 11. Choose the correct sentence. A. He didn't brought his phone to work. B. He doesn't bring his phone to work. C. He didn't bring his phone to work. D. He don't bring his phone to work. Answer: C. He didn't bring his phone to work. Explanation: after didn't, the base form of the verb, bring, is used. 12. Fill in the blank. The furniture in the room, expensive, A, is, B, are, C, were, D, have been. Answer: A, is. Explanation: furniture is uncountable, so it takes the singular verb is. 13. Choose the correct sentence. A. The news are very shocking. B. The news is very shocking. C. The news were very shocking. D. The news have been very shocking. Answer: B. The news is very shocking. Explanation: news is singular, so it takes the singular verb is. 14. Fill in the blank. Neither of the options, appealing to me. A, is, B, are, C, were, D, have been. Answer: A, is. Explanation: neither is singular, so it takes the singular verb is. 15. Choose the correct sentence. A. He have already completed the project. B. He has already completed the project. C. He had already completed the project. D. He has already completed the project. Answer: B. He has already completed the project. Explanation: he is singular, so it takes has. 16. Fill in the blank. A number of students, late for class. A, was, B, is, C, were, D, has been. Answer: C, were. Explanation: a number of is treated as plural, so it takes the plural verb were. 17. Choose the correct sentence. A. She is better at math than me. B. She is better at math than I. C. She is better at math than mine. D. She is better at math than myself. Answer: B. She is better at math than I. Explanation: the full comparison would be she is better at math than I am. 18. Fill in the blank. Each of the employees, responsible for their work, A, is, B, are, C, has been, D, were. Answer: A, is. Explanation: each is singular, so it takes the singular verb is. 19. Choose the correct sentence. A. He didn't use to exercise regularly. B. He doesn't use to exercise regularly. C. He didn't use to exercise regularly. D. He don't use to exercise regularly. Answer: A. He didn't use to exercise regularly. Explanation: after didn't, the base form of the verb, use, is used. 20. Fill in the blank. A pair of shoes, missing from the closet. A, is, B, are, C, have been, D, were. Answer A is. Explanation: a pair is singular, so it takes the singular verb is. Write in the comments below how many correct answers you got. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.